A Wbcom agency project. Building GreenStart Community for a sustainable startup accelerator. White label everything. Their members, the plugin name changes, the admin menu changes, the accent color changes. Customers never see Jetonomy, they see GreenStart. Step 2. Members come in through MemberPress. Founder tier unlocks the Founder Lounge. Pro tier unlocks Mentor Q&A. Free tier sees the lobby. One rule per space. Step 3. 5 spaces structured for cohorts. A public lobby. A Mentor Q&A for Pro members. A Founders Lounge for the top tier. A show and tell space. A demo day prep space with a live countdown. Step 4. Weekly digest emails keep members engaged. Then the handoff. All controls live in WordPress admin. The GreenStart team is trained in 30 minutes. Wbcom ships, GreenStart runs, both win. Jetonomy, their community, your platform.